The Nigeria Covid-19 Research Coalition has held its first research colloquium to mark the NCRC Day. Research experts at this year's event are advocating for domestic funding for research as they explore the world of public health research and examine the gains and lessons in Nigeria's Covid-19 research, the research response to the Covid-19 pandemic. Our correspondent Kemi Balogun has more on this report.
The post-COVID-19 era is upon the global community, and now more than ever before, there is a critical need to examine what was and to make an effort to prepare ahead of future pandemics, if any. This maiden edition of Nigeria's COVID-19 Research Coalition is using the theme of 2 years on, gains, losses and lessons in Nigeria's COVID-19 research to showcase local and global COVID-19 research conducted in Nigeria, to identify the gaps in research landscape and chart a course for health research priorities.
We wanted to bring the meager resources we had together and to bring a coalition that will involve scientists, not just academic research, but research that will aid us in understanding the pandemic, which was caused by a novel virus, and what we needed to do as a country to respond to it.
Importantly, it's research on COVID-19 in Nigeria, but we also draw on research that has happened elsewhere in other settings that would have a bearing on Nigeria.
Collaborations with other researchers in West Africa, outside Africa, and just around so that we can strengthen our research capacity and also the research outputs from the country.
The coalition was established in 2020 to generate research evidence in order to aid understanding of COVID-19 and support Nigeria's response to the current outbreak. But funding still remains one challenge to get this done.
Proposition by the African Union for countries in Africa to actually proceed and make sure that they have 1% of their GDP as a contribution to R&D for national development. Our national GDP is trending at around 500 billion, between 450 and 500 billion currently. If you look at 1% of that, it's going to be giving you around 5 billion USD.
We are actually advocating for domestic funding to support research, not only on COVID-19, but on all the health areas in the country.
Some of the objectives of the Research Coalition revolve around identifying, developing and implementing a 5-year national COVID-19 research agenda. With a membership of more than 50 institutions, the Research Coalition provides a national platform for coordinating research, beginning with COVID-19 across the entire country. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.